Hey guys, it's TNN, and today we're going to have a look at this LG monitor. So this is a curved widescreen monitor from LG. The model number is 32MR50C. A few little specs on this one over here. So it's a full HD 1080p display with 100 Hz refresh rate. It is a curved screen. It does have anti-glare. It's also got AMD FreeSync. So it comes with a lot of extra features with the FreeSync, so you can do stuff like split screen modes, various different things like that. So it's got the on-screen control software where you can do all this split screen mode. It's also got reader mode, so you can adjust color temperatures, luminance, and flicker safe modes as well to reduce any flickering on the screen. So this is a pretty good display when it comes to mid-range sort of prices. It's currently on a really good Black Friday sale, so definitely check it out. I'll put the link down below in the description. And even after Black Friday, it might actually still be on some further sales as well. So it does have good features and eye care features and stuff like that. And of course, AMD FreeSync allows it to have a black stabilizer so that the screen is super nice and super lit. Let's go ahead and let's check out the box and let's open it up as well. So it can also tilt around -5 to 20 degrees, so which is really good. Tilt back, tilt forward. Not much on the box, to be honest with you. It is an E rating. Going around it, not much to be seen. So go ahead and let's open the box up. So we can immediately see what comes in the box. We have got a UK 3-pin plug to the sort of kettle adapters that you get with monitors. We've got the user manual. We've got the power adapter. So the actual UK 3-pin plug goes into the power adapter, and this will go in the back of the monitor to power it up. They also threw in a HDMI cable. It's not gold plated or anything, it's just a simple HDMI cable. So we've gone ahead and pulled out the box, and it comes with this really nice matte black stand, really simple to use. You sort of just thread it in by hand underneath. So after a little bit of struggles getting out of the box, it's very easy and very simple to put the stand on. It is just hand screwed on, and here we have the display. So it's got like a matte black on the screen, so it's good for your eyes when you're on the desk for quite a while. It doesn't reflect too much, and then you can see the curvature as well. It's got a good amount of curvature, which is really nice. The thickness isn't too bad as well, about a finger size. So I'd say about 1.5 to 2 centimeters max sort of thickness, so it's really good. On the back over here, we've got the power button, and also it is a rocker button, so you can switch through different menus and press select. Got the LG logo. If you look underneath under here, we have our display ports. So we've got our DC in power, we've got HDMI 1, HDMI 2, and also a VGA port, which is nice to have. And here is the display with my laptop plugged in. The screen is very nice. It's very subtle on the eyes. With the button behind, you can switch through different settings such as power off. You can go through all the settings over here, so you can adjust the brightness, contrast, and the volume as well. You can switch through the inputs here and adjust the aspect ratio as well. You can do auto input switch. Here we have all our inputs. You've got picture mode, you've got different picture modes. You can do reader mode, photo mode, cinema mode, color weakness, or gaming mode. And that's my laptop that's just gone to sleep there, so let's wake it up again. There you go. So currently it's in gaming mode. If we switch that back through, picture mode, there we go, and put it back on custom mode where you can adjust it all yourself. You can do your picture adjust here, super resolution, loads and loads of different features, black level, DFC, game adjust, color adjust, and you can do picture reset to set it back. Then you've got your general settings, your language, you've got smart energy settings which you can set to low, high or off. Automatic standby, OSD log information, you can just reset everything to go back to normal. If you don't press the button, like so, where you can then just switch it up and down to adjust the brightness, and then you can go left and right, which adjust the volume. So once the brightness is gone, you can go left and right to adjust the volume, like so. So here we have the display in action. I've put it in the split mode, so you can see here you've got a nice big screen with two different sizes. So you can have something on this side and something on that side. You can set the vehicle, the laptop to audio from the screen, but the screen doesn't have any speakers, so the monitor doesn't come with any speakers. But I forgot to mention it does have a 3.5mm 3-pole headphone jack at the back, so you can add external speakers. Otherwise you can just use your audio coming out of your laptop. But you can see over here the quality is super crisp and clear. Put it in full screen, and we've got a nice wide angle there. You've got a lot of movement in here as well, so you can tilt it back and forward. So that's really nice as well. So here it is. This is the LG monitor. Super bright, super crisp, super clear, and it's really nice on the eyes as well. So as always, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.